Alright, y'all, I'm back, alright? The topic of today's video, hand tools. We're going over the the ones that are non-hydraulic. You don't need a hydraulic pump or anything like that to work with them. Sorry, Jaws of Life fanboys, that's not happening today. Alright? I'm going to go over the three main ones that we use a lot, alright? I'm going over the Brooklyn hook. Bet you didn't see that shit coming. The Halligan pry bar, 8.5 pounds of screw stuff up. Alright, I have to keep it friendly. I've got to keep it family friendly. I got, YouTube sent me an email and shit, and yeah, hooray for me. I've got to keep it family friendly. Yeah, I know, even though this crappy channel. And of course, the pike pole. We're gonna start with the pike pole. What is the pike pole? The 8-foot pike pole is designed to help us pull stuff apart or pull things down. Alright? The pike pole has a hook, and I don't, it actually, there should be a picture showing up on screen right about there, but, oh, it's not there. Fuck me. Anyway, look up a picture of a pike pole, alright? That end is specifically designed to punch through ceiling, alright, or roof, or to test for hot spots if you are on the roof for ventilation purposes, alright? We actually go on top of the roof to poke holes, alright? And sometimes there's soft spots, where the fires really hit it hard. And you go, okay, yeah, okay, this is good, alright? If it gives a little bit, there's a bit of a problem, alright? Another thing that you need to know about is, after we take out the fire and everything, we have to go through with a hot spot, with our tick going for hot spots and everything else. That's where the pike pole also comes in, because yes, the fire is out. Yes, that metal is still pretty hot. No, our gloves are just meant for grabbing hoses, alright? Yes, they are insulated, alright? But you will still feel the heat, alright? So instead of, doing that way, and have a good chance of damaging your glove on the metal, because it could cut your glove, alright? The pike pole, alright? What you do? Okay, got a piece of the same metal roofing, pull it over here, alright? And then you can tear it apart with other pike poles and everything else. The Brooklyn hook. The Brooklyn hook is actually one of the newest pieces of equipment I know of. Alright? It has a very distinct look. Alright? It has you got your handle, one side, and another side, alright? They have those distinct angles. I don't know why. They're weird, alright? Yeah. They're pretty much a pike pole that can't go through ceiling. But what the pike pole can't do, and that is, holding on to something heavy, because that hook is not that big, the angle on the Brooklyn hook can definitely do. Alright? Shut the fuck up, bird. Fucking hell. But anyway. Alright? Now, I mentioned something about what a lot of people don't know about. It's the bread and butter. It's not on it's not on the Maltese Cross. It's because it was created in the 1800s. It's called the Halligan pry bar. The 8.5 pounds of screw stuff up. The bread and butter, he's pretty much the doorman in the military, kicking things, kicking in the doors. It is designed to make holes where holes shouldn't be in a house. Alright? 8.5 pounds. It's got 2 flat sides. You can hit something with that. It's got a plate designed to break deadlocks. You mean the deadbolts, it's in the movie, where somebody goes like this, ha, they can't get in. It will punch right through that. With no problem at all. Alright? It has a spike, good for ventilation, And if you are on the roof, right, pound that right into the ceiling, step on the plate, and it will hold you. Alright? It has a, alright? It does not have a blade on it. It has a plate, a spike, two flat parts for a hammer, and a pry bar at the end. So yeah. So that's all this video is about. All right. If you have any, look up some of the pictures on YouTube. I mean Google. All right. Halligan, Haligan, the pike pole. If you need me, I'm not going to explain how to spell that. You already. Brooklyn and Hook. Alright, if I need to explain either of those, you don't belong in America. Alright? But anyway, that's where I'm leaving it right now. See y'all later.